Today we will add a little oil on this car. We're gonna check the level of the oil here, right here. This is the stick that we will take it out and check the oil. So as you see, this is the two line there. So I need to add little bit oil. It should come this first level of the line or second level of the line. So I clean the oil, old oil, and stick in. And then here is the engine cap, and take it out. And here the oil. That is a level of oil, so you can see this through inside how much oil you have. I will add a little bit like this much, and add little bit, and that's it. Close the cap, and don't forget to close the engine cap every time you add the oil, because sometimes you might forget it to put the cap and oil is gonna go all the way out. So that's the reason you have to just put the engine cap back to there. So let's check the stick again. One more time, let me clean. And yeah, it's right there, as you see. Now it's right there, so it's good. Now this is the way you can add oil in your engine. So good luck, you guys. Bye.